let me show you inside the most coveted neighborhoods of Texas' richest city, Southlake. So Southlake has some celebrities who live here, like Jason Witten, DeMarcus Ware, especially sports celebrities, and Jermaine O'Neal, although I don't know if he's still in Southlake because I did see that he had his house on the market. First up is Old Orchard Country Estates, and this is what I call Dove Road Estates because everyone in Southlake knows that driving this street, there are some phenomenal estates. Dove Road runs east and west of 114, and both sides have estates from $5 million to $12 million, and they're on 2 to 20 acre lots. Most of these have private gates, and these homes are very large, ranging from 7,000 to 20,000 square feet. Not too far from Dove Road and bordering Westlake is Westwick Hills. Homes here range from $3 to $5 million, and I love the trees and winding streets. So this is another neighborhood that's gated. It's not guarded, so it's easy access. Southlake is about maxed out when it comes to new development. And I love this neighborhood. Homes are $3 to $4 million. But again, if you're going to live in Southlake, you may want to take advantage of the large, lush lots. Unless you want some low maintenance, then I have a better alternative. Now, hey, if you want a home in this neighborhood, that's okay. Let me know. But it's right there close to 1709. Next up is the Metairie. Let's go. If you want a new low maintenance community, here's your alternative. The Metairie features transitional European style on a bit smaller lots, which hence the low maintenance, but wow, these homes are gorgeous. And they boast about the ability to lock and leave. And lock and leave meaning if you have a second home, say in Colorado, you can just lock and leave because someone comes and they take care of all the lawn maintenance. It's just very easy, low maintenance property. The Metairie has 56 homes on quarter-acre lots and is located just minutes from Highway 114. So this next one is Carillon, and it is a little bit different because it's a master planned community. With the last few years of the great migration of people moving places, this neighborhood has attracted many young families because of the amenities. The Carillon is 285 acres of European stately style. It is gorgeous with water features and parks, and you can find villas and up to large grand 6,000 square foot homes plus. This is a newer community with homes built between 2015 and 2021. Now listen, all the buzz is about this piece of dirt right here called Carillon Park. Southlake is talking about it. It's going to be a fabulous development. Planners call it a development for all generations. Carillon Park will feature a grand park with a large Las Vegas-style water fountain synchronized with lights, music, and motion. Also shopping, restaurants, office space, and a luxury hotel. On the northern side will be space for 79 single-family homes. Carillon Park will not be designed to compete with Southlake Town Center, but be complementary. Some of the city offices will be located here, including the public library. Carillon Park will be a favorite for residents and tourists alike when it gets completed. We will continue to do updates on this amazing project. Okay, so take a look. We're right down the street from Carillon, and this was the highest listed property in Southlake at $24 million, but it didn't sell at that price. Then it was lowered to $17.9, and we did find out that someone did just purchase it in May of this year, but the price is undisclosed. So here's a little footage of the inside. Take a look. Now, if you want new construction, Saddleback Ridge is just lovely. And they are still building here, so you can get in on the action. And these homes are on 1-acre lots. It feels a little more secluded up here in this small neighborhood, and I love the trees in this part of Southlake. Oh, and it's close to the lake if you enjoy the walking trails. Prices range from $3 to $4 million here. Here off Whitechapel Boulevard are many private gated homes on 2 to 15 acre tracts of land. This is where the celebrities and top CEOs live. Now, this road does tend to get busy with traffic around rush hour because it's a cut through to and from Colleyville. Homes on Whitechapel Boulevard have sold as high as $12 million in the MLS, but many of these estates sell off market. So if you are looking at buying an estate here, let me know. I have the hookup. I know people. So next we're gonna go to Stony Brook. Okay, here we are, Stony Brook. It looks like it could be guarded in the future, and there's a keypad, but look, it's open. I'm super excited. Now listen, this wasn't originally on the plans for today, and I've never been to Stony Brook, but I've been wanting to go. It's a new neighborhood. So some of these homes are gated, and some homes are gated and guarded when it's a neighborhood. When they're gated and guarded, it's like virtually impossible to get in without an appointment. Stony Brook is a 60-acre exclusive gated community with utmost privacy and seclusion. If you are thinking about buying a home in Southlake or anywhere in Dallas-Fort Worth, we would love to be your team of choice. You can click the link below to schedule your one-on-one Zoom consultation, call, text, or email us.